Okay, so there is our building block. This is our very basic setup. This is the wire placement that will happen with all of our samples, no matter what our external design or our design elements are. And this one has that top layer, so hopefully you'll be able to see kind of how that works. And again, this fits on a 4x6 index card, so I just build those. And then when they're done drying, when the glue is all dry, I can just slide them right off onto the shelf. You could build them right on your shelf paper, on pieces of shelf paper also, but that way I don't have to cut shelf paper. I can just reuse my index cards over and over again. Okay, so what does this guy look like fused? Well, I'm so glad you asked because I have one right here. Okay, so see if we can find a blank spot here. See this guy now? So there it is. Okay.
Nice. Can you angle it towards Cliff so we can see the little
fancy? I can angle it
loops?
towards Cliff.
Oh, look at that.
So what I thought was interesting is this particular design starts to look like jewelry to me.
I was
when
thinking
we
that.
Start to add in some of the other things, it really does look like jewelry. And I do have a little tiny bit of a spot here where the glass is melted together just a hair. So I'm just snapping it out there, okay? And then when we fold this guy up, we just we roll him. Roll him right up. Like a record, baby. Oh no, that's something else. Okay, that's spinning. All right, so here's this guy. We'll put him on the slide right here. And this one, when it wraps here, and then again with the hook. Okay, so there's our first flower.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! And it's just and he's actually really cute, clear also.
Yeah.